Hi, hello, welcome to Sri Academy. Myself, I am Fanindra, Director of Sri Academy ESET Coaching Center. Okay, I will teach ESET mathematics topics. Okay, now we are going to learn a good shortcut to represent a determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. By using this shortcut, we can do any 3 by 3 matrix determinant very easily. See here how. A given one question, that is 3 by 3 matrix having the elements 9 elements and 1 2 3 4 2 1 2 3 1. How to do determinant means actually the definition of determinant is sum of products of elements of a row or column with their corresponding cofactors is known as a determinant. First we will learn the procedure to find a determinant of any matrix, that to 3 by 3 matrix will see. Simply what we have to do means the determinant is represented like this. This is we are reading as determinant of A, that is nothing but we'll write 1 2 3 4 2 1 2 3 1. How to take you have to take any row or any column of elements, you have to multiply that elements with their cofactors. Just I am following generally we will do like this. I am checking here first row first column element. I am taking I am expanding determinant by using row number 1, that is 1 into, after eliminating first row first column you will get one matrix, that matrix determinant, that is this one 2 1 3 1. Next first successive plus రాస్తున్న తర్వాత మైనస్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ రో సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్, దట్ ఈస్ 2 into remaining elements 4 1 2 1 4 1 2 1. next third element, that is first plus తర్వాత minus తర్వాత plus successive plus minus. After eliminating first row third column, that is matrix 4 2 2 3 2 by 2 matrix 4 2 2 3. By simplifying this equation you will get determinant of matrix. How we will see 1 into 2 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 into 4 minus 2, next plus 3 into 4 3s are 12 minus 2 into 2 4. What we written simply we'll write here also 1 into 2 minus 3 will write, next 2 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 will write, next plus 3 into 4 3s are 12 minus 2 into 2 4. If you simplify you will get 2 minus 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 4 minus 2 2 into 2 4 minus 4, 12 minus 4 8 3s are 24. That what you will get here 24 minus 5, that is 19. This is to find the determinant of a matrix. Here I am giving one shortcut to represent this matrix without this procedure. Simply what I am writing means I am writing here determinant. That's I will first write the elements 1 2 3 4 2 1 2 3 1. First step is I am writing one more some elements here. First of all what you have to write means first element at last element at first, from last row also first element at last element at first. That simply I take in these elements. What are that elements means first row first element at last, first row last element at is first, last row first element as last element is first. Simply with multiplication and addition we are writing the determinant. How we are multiplying? Indirectly first we have to multiply some elements. I am treating as equations here. I am multiplying these 3 elements, that is I'm starting from matrix starting onwards. That is, this is an equation number 1. If you multiply 3 into 4 into 3, what you will get? I'm writing the answer. 12 3s are 36. Next, first element the same. This I am treating as 2. Second element, second equation, 1 into 2 into 1. That is 1 into 2 into 1 plus 2. Next, one more. That is as equation number 3. That is 2 into 1 into 2. That is nothing but plus 4. This is one group. I am subtracting one more group. I am adding here. See how? That is from here. I am taking as this equation number 4. 1 into 4 into 2. 1 into 4 into 2. That's I am writing here 8. Next, these 3. This is an equation number 5. That is 2 into 2 into 3. That is 4 3s are 12. Next, these 3. 3 into 1 into 1. That is equation number 6. Here that is 3. I am writing resultant 40 plus 2, 42 minus 20 plus 3, 23. That is answer is going to be 19. Same answer. To explain it taken some time, but to write very easy. What we are doing? We are writing first element at last element at first. Here also from last row, last element, first element at last element at first. Simply multiplication and addition. You are going subtraction. You are going to get. First you have to add 3 equations. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then after you have to once again remaining equations ni add chesi subtract cheyali. That is going to be resultant your answer. This is our shortcut to write determinant of a matrix.